show my hands. There's gloves. It says gloves. Thank you. Hey, Pang. Where you from? Hi, guys. Where you from? There's no. What is this? No stickers. G123. Big homie. So many tabs. So yeah, and it's expensive. Yeah. What's with the what's with a person with having tattoos? That means you can afford. Yeah, I know. It's just I'm not good at aftercare. Right. Look at that. It's not fully healed, but I pluck it because it's kind of itchy. That's why this is my favorite, but right now this is the bad one that I got because I pluck it. And it's not fully healed, and look at that now. It's called angel. For those Chinese in there, can you still read this as an angel? Is it still obvious? Oh, you know how to um read Chinese character. I'm removing my makeup underline eyeliner because I think I don't look good with makeup on. I feel like I'm not comfortable. I feel like I look good just like a simple, simple look, guys. You might change the character. No. Yes, holy. Give me gifts, I will. You may kiss me. How about that? I'm gonna show you my soul's like close up look here. Aw, what is that? Yeah, but how? I think it's hard now. I think it's hard to, you know, to retouch this. What do you think? Do you think it's just easy? Are you an artist? Can you tell? Can you give me kiss me, guys? Sure, yeah. Kiss me. I'll show you it here. Like I've never tried kiss me now for a long time, so I'm crying now. I can show you. Let me check if my foot is clean. Yes, they are clean. Chewy. Come on. I'm not playing with you guys. Please. I'm not playing. I'm just like striving here. I just have. Look at my nose. It's kind of red now. Just kiss me, guys, and I'll show